welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this video inside of text effect on CapCut PC. So select your video and add in your text. I'm just going to type in waters, and then I'm just going to select this font. You can choose any font you want. By the way, I just chose this one. And you can wait, I forgot, I need to add in this first before I add in the text. Well, it's fine, you can add it later, but just want to drag it behind the text. And then on top of the text, you are going to select effects. You can select effects, but if you don't want to, that's fine. Just make sure the inside part is a white color, and then you're just going to select these both, right click, create compound clip. Once you do that, go to basic, select the blend mode, and choose darken. And as you can see, it creates this can't really see it because it's like a fairly blue color, but if I put it like this, you'll be able to see the water and that kind of text. But you can also do it on a white background as well. So let's just delete that first. Add in a white background and add it behind. And on the text, I'm just going to then select maybe just select this text like that, and then select both, right click, create compound clip, and then choose brighten or screen. Ta-da! And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!